Clean your dishwasher with vinegar and baking soda, cheap and easy. Your dishwasher is an appliance you use on a daily basis, and if it quits working, you rapidly realize how much you miss having one. Here's how to clean your dishwasher using vinegar and baking soda, as well as how to improve its efficiency. 1. Clean the filter. The filters in most modern dishwashers must be cleaned manually. It's part of what makes contemporary dishwashers quieter, but it means you'll have to be more meticulous about cleaning the filter of crud. When it becomes blocked, water does not drain as properly, and foul odors develop. Choose one day every week to empty the dishwasher, remove the bottom rack, and remove the filter. It's normally simple to unscrew and disassemble, but if you have any problems, consult your owner's handbook. Give the components a good rinse and scrub. If your dishes aren't getting properly cleaned, check the spray arms. Using a toothpick, carefully check the holes in the spray arms for food obstructions. 2. Clean dishwasher with vinegar. Hard water and soap accumulation, as well as any remaining bad smells, are easily removed with white vinegar. Fill a clean dishwasher safe bowl halfway with vinegar and set it on the top rack. Then, with no detergent and no dirty dishes, run the dishwasher through a cleaning cycle on the hottest setting. The vinegar will be sprayed all over the dishwasher, removing stains and odors and leaving it spotless. 3. Next, clean with baking soda. If the nasty, musty scents persist after washing with vinegar, it's time to try baking soda. Around the bottom of the dishwasher, sprinkle a cup or two of baking soda. Then, using hot water, repeat the cleaning cycle. The baking soda will assist to eliminate undesirable odors while also shining the interior of the dishwasher. 4. Increase efficiency and preventative maintenance. Now that the dishwasher has been cleaned and deodorized, it's time to learn how to make it function more efficiently. Making it a practice to clean the dishwasher on a regular basis can save you time, money, and repair bills. Don't overcrowd your dishes. Before you start cramming more dishes in, keep in mind that dishes that are too close together will not be rinsed and cleaned as thoroughly. Pre-rinse, but don't pre-wash. Pre-washing dishes before placing them in the dishwasher is a waste of time and water. However, a brief rinse of the dishes to eliminate any residual food is recommended. Check the seals. The rubber seals around the door get filthy and sticky, resulting in a poor seal and leaks. To keep things clean, rub a moist towel over the area every couple of weeks. Drop a comment below if there are any other useful cleaning tips you'd like to see featured. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.